9 little toy trucks on the floor, revving engines, hear them roar. One beeped loud, one beeped low, horns went honk as they did go. Cargoes stacked on tiny beds, trucks rolled forward with happy treads. One tipped over, one went fast, still they honked and laughed at last. Up and down the living room track, trucks kept honking, never slack. Round and round with tiny shock, chanting all honk, honk, honk. As the sun began to drop, 9 little toy trucks honk, honk, honk. They parked